Hey, Denny here, and welcome to my vlog and this is Project Explorer. We're just coming back from our Sunday trip to Walmart, and it's coming through a certain section here, and all of a sudden we're starting to hear a noise in the rear end. I got out and looked. I didn't see anything particular. But it's weird. It sounds like the tire's rubbing on something. Because sound speeds up as I speed up, and it slows down as I slow down. So something to do with that tire. Or at least that side. We're at about 50 miles an hour now. It's kind of a hollow rubbing sound. I'm not exactly sure. Oop, now it's gone away. It's really windy out, so I don't know if something's pushing against the tire. Now I don't hear it at all.
You slowed down.
No, I'm still doing 50 miles an hour. It hasn't changed. Now it's not doing it. I'm doing 60 miles an hour. And now we're actually going in opposite direction of the way the wind has been blowing on it. I don't know, something's loose under there and just pushing against them. Huh. Well, we'll find out. Okay, I'm going to slow down now and see if... Yep, there it is. It's just on the rear passenger side. Huh. Get this wheel off. You know what? Best tool you can buy. Battery operated impact. Take it anywhere with it. Anyway. Oh man. Here's the problem. Holy cow. Wheel bearing. Holy cow. Wow. Jesus. Hey. What's going on here? Wow. Well, that's lovely. Look at this. Oh, man. How you doing? Terrific. Oh. Jesus. Plugs off. Wow. Okay, well. What the heck's going on here? What the heck? Get on there. Well, I'll be son of a gun. Holy cow! Sucker must be on there pretty good. Well, I know she was we're getting ready to take this off the road for the summer, but wow. Okay, well, that one's over torqued a little bit. Let's down a bit. Breaker bar on it. Holy cow. I wouldn't have thought that. Oh cow. Not a thought. Like that. Okay. Well, that's holy cow. I gotta pound that out. And I'm using a breaker bar. Yeah. I had plenty of shoe. I actually had plenty of shoe. So it was definitely that was great. Okay. So, here we are. That was the problem. So we will pop that drive shaft, that wheel bearing in there. Okay, so anyway, stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll be parking this for a little while. one thing, it's another, ain't it? Maybe I ought to jack up the other side too, huh? Just to be on the safe side. Alright, I got another wheel nut. Yep, she can't drive that around anymore. Oh, damn. Let's check the other side up. Make sure, because you got one going. This has got, and this has 300 and almost 300,000 miles on it. So I'm sure the rear wheel bearings have not been changed on it. So guess what? This is time for rear wheel bearing. Figure one side's going, the other one's going next. Nope. This side's good. At least for now. Okay, let's clear that. Okay, so thanks for watching. So, comment, subscribe. You'll catch me on the next Project Explorer. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Project Explorer. From the video that you watched prior to this, I showed you that the rear passenger side bearing had failed. Well, I'm now in the process of ordering that bearing. Well, come to find out, I went on to Amazon. I'm on to Amazon Prime too, and I went under Ford and wheel bearings, and then I put in the vehicle itself, and I come up with an awesome deal. They're going to give me both wheel bearings on both sides, the hubs, and added to it a new set of rotors and ceramic pads, all for $115. So I'm checking out now, and $9.27 for taxes. So of course, when you go to do your taxes and you bought things over the internet, they're going to ask you, did you pay taxes? And yes, I paid taxes. And just so you can see my total here, 125.09. And again, that's both wheel hubs, the bearings, both rotors, and 2 sets of ceramic pads. And let's see, guaranteed delivery by June 19th. It is the 16th, Sunday the 16th. So they should be showing up on Tuesday. Not necessarily that I'll get it done on that day, but oh yeah. Also, they add in there and brake cleaner. Well, you know, what better? Let's see, brake cleaner, and brake fluid. So because I'm under Prime, Wednesday, June 19th. So it's free, 2-day shipping if I order it right now. If you order in the next 16 hours and 3 minutes, items shipped from Detroit Axle, you will get on Wednesday the 19th. So that's fantastic. I need to get her Explorer back on the road, because it doesn't look like she's going to be driving the Mustang the rest of the summer. We just got it on the road, got it aligned, and the head gasket blew. Never fails with old vehicles. So anyway, thanks for watching, and this will carry you on to the next video of changing those wheel bearings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Project Explorer.